On 4th February, early morning, actually we have seized one sumo with the registration number GA8A0455 carrying Khair loads from Walpoi range, and 11 persons were arrested. And on further investigation, it was revealed that the offence has happened in Kollam range of North Goa division, and wherein at survey number 183/1 of Aglot village, and survey number 183 of same village, which is actually under the jurisdiction of Cashew Corporation. Some fellings have happened, and we could seize the material from the vehicle with the offenders, and also we have recovered remaining material from the offence site. So 2 cases were registered in this matter, one with the Cashew Corporation and another with the Kollam range of North Goa division. And the vehicle and offenders were actually handed over to the Kollam range, and further investigation is on. And the approximate value of the material is around 40,000 rupees. So this is actually the modus operandi wherein these small vehicles are being used for transportation of the material to cross the borders of the state. So on getting the information in timely manner, we could seize the vehicle and also the material. And further on 13/2/2024, we have seized one more vehicle, which is an Omni van with registration number GA4C1265, carrying again Acacia category, the Khair logs, and one offender who is the driver named Sri Nilin Pradhansa Gawade, President of Maharashtra. He was arrested, and the source of material is identified as it is from a private area of Mayam village, and further investigation is carried out. The 11 persons who were arrested in the case of Walpoi range and Kollam, they are from actually Karnataka state. So investigation is carried out, and due to timely intervention of the forest department and staff, we could seize the material, and further investigation is carried out.
So the place is identified where they used to cut the hair?
Yes, actually they have done the cutting at Aglot village, and the intention was to transport them across the borders. So they were moving, so half the material was left at site and half the material was they were carrying. So we could seize the vehicle and materials.
So any main person behind this?
Actually, the investigation is being carried out. Earlier also we have seized many similar cases with the vehicles. So the number of the vehicle is also doubted. So the labors are actually now we have arrested, and on further investigation it will be revealed who is actually behind this and doing this in a continuous manner.
So any person has been applied for FRC for the land?
Some claims are there where this offence has been carried out. So that area, some FRC claims are there. So we are taking note of that also, and it will be reported to the concerned body, because in a FRC claim area, actually when the rights are not settled, this sort of fellings cannot be tolerated.